Hey everybody, so in today's quick tip video, we're going to talk about how to generate wireframe from surfaces or solids using the new silhouette boundary option. Okay, so let's go ahead and get right into it. To begin with, where are we going to find the new silhouette option? It's going to be under Create 2D, and then you'll notice it right next to Extract Edges. All right. Again, anytime we're generating wireframe and we're working with surfaces and solids, I like to add my own group or my own layers. So this is going to be wireframe. Okay. Below this, we're just going to right click, add layer. We're going to call it W1. One of the things that I do like about the layer management now is you do have the ability to move your layers up or down, and I also find that to be very useful. Okay, so again, we're going to be on wireframe 1. That's our active layer. Now, what we want to do is we want to target this green geometry. If you've been watching some of the other videos, we went through section view, we went through extract edges, and now we're at silhouette boundary, okay? Again, ultimately, what we're trying to do here is create a boundary to contain our toolpath within these green surfaces here, okay? So silhouette boundary is a great way to do it, and it eliminates a lot of the manual editing that we would have to do with the other methods. Okay, so we're going to choose silhouette. All right, and the next thing I want to talk about really has to do with selection, right? So there are different selection modes. We know that we can just go through and select the surfaces that we want. But if our surfaces are already a certain color, we may choose to select by that color. Okay, so we can go to the home menu, which is where you'll find the selection tools, and you'll notice that I added this pick by color option. Okay, and actually there are a number of different methods: pick by color, pick by layer. There's pick and match options here as well. In this example, I'm just going to choose pick by color. I'm going to choose the color green, and then we'll say OK. All right, and then from here, I'm just going to compute the default values, and we'll choose OK and cancel. All right, so now if we look at our boundary, you'll notice that we actually have a similar scenario to what we had with our extract edges. And really what we're looking for is a closed boundary to contain our toolpath. All right, so we're going to go ahead and add another layer. We're going to call this W2. All right, we'll turn off W1. We'll put our target surfaces back on the screen. All right, now again, we're going to go to Create 2D. We're going to choose Silhouette. This time, we're going to just window pick our geometry. All right, and then another feature that we have to help with speeding up selection is the ability to save a selection. So you'll notice that I have this geometry selected right now. I can go to my selection manager and I can say save current selection. All right, I can rename this target surfaces, right? So now, anytime I want to select those surfaces, I can just click right here and it speeds up the selection. So similar to select by color or select by layer, except it's a lot faster. And I also really like this because you can use it anytime you have geometry selected. So within any feature that, whether it's a CAD feature or a CAM feature, if you have geometry selected, you can save that selection. Okay. Now, so just a little tip about selection modes and saving a selection. The other thing we want to do here is we want to merge all so we can get a closed profile. So we're going to just turn this checkbox on and choose OK and cancel. All right, so if we look at, let's turn off our targeted surfaces. If we look at this without the merge, you can see all the internal shapes. When we turn the merge on, you can see it removes all the internal shapes. If we go to a selection mode now, you can see this will chain all the way around. All right. So, wherever this video may be posted, if you feel this CAD feature is useful, just go ahead and comment below and let me know that you feel Silhouette is useful. Or if there's another CAD feature that maybe you've seen in another CAD package or you've seen in BobCAD and you want to learn more about, does BobCAD have this CAD feature or should it? Comment that below as well. Also, don't forget to sign up for our free training events every Wednesday from 1 to 3 p.m. So we'll see you there. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Have a good one.